What's the latest?
Anderson, the people of Pakistan waking up this morning to a new era in their conflict with India. A corner has been turned. Pakistan has announced that it has retaliated for India's attacks, an eye for an eye, a full throttle response. They've targeted, they say, inside of India, the east of India, 3 different bases, one storing weapon systems, 2 military air bases that they say India has used to attack Pakistan. They describe this as a response, in direct response to what India has done, but there should be no doubt the language, the jingoistic language on state television, the narrative around the conflict now is taking a stronger turn. It is becoming more bellicose. From the Pakistan side, state TV was calling for Muslims in India and Bangladesh, in the east of India, a Muslim majority nation, to rise up and join them in this fight against India. It is not clear where it goes from here.